Hey guys, what up, what up? This is Broom Rifter here, and today I'm going to be going through a tutorial. This one is how to clean a dirty bike. So we have the stuff right here. For some reason I've been holding off doing this for a while, but now that I'm actually going to start cleaning my bike regularly, I just thought that I could go through a quick 2-step tutorial with you guys. So we're going to start. So what you're going to need is a dirty bike, a towel, and a hose connected to the water. And all right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pressure wash all the grime off of the bike. It's under the seats, on the reflector. You don't really need to wash the tires, so we're not going to do that. But today we're just going to clean the bike frame because that's what's most important and you don't want it to get rusty. I recently started mountain biking a little bit more. I find it pretty fun to do now, and I've been doing some pretty tough trails, especially after it rains. So that's why this bike is kind of gone to hell, and we are going to clean it today. Hopefully this will help you if you're thinking about mountain biking and you want to see how to do it. Hopefully the water won't go all the way to this phone, but it probably won't because the driveway slopes, and when the driveway slopes, the water slopes. I'll tell you what, I'll have this all the way out here. I'll start the water, I'll quickly bring it over to here. Or should I just I'll put it facing this way, and then I'll turn it on, and then we'll get this party started. Okay, so the water's going crazy. Oh geez. Wait. I actually think it's a little risky to do it here because the water, it might go into the garage. So what we're gonna do is we're going to bring this further out, bring the bike further out, everything further out, and we might do this over the lawn. So it will be a lot less, it won't destroy anything. I'll be right back with you guys once everything is set up. All right, so we are back. I have the bike set up over there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this on high. Oh, look at that. We're just going to pressure wash all this stuff off. Pressure wash it off there. And look at that. It's getting all clean. Rinse this stuff off. Rinse this stuff off, the brakes, the gears. All right, I think that's good. Let's just put this right there. Turn the water off. Got my towel right here. All right, so we got all this stuff. We gotta make sure that the seat is dry quickly because this is leather. I'm gonna balance it on that thing right there. But it's still over the grass, so if it drips, it's not gonna be too bad. And so you want to make sure, if your seat's leather, you wanna make sure you dry it as quick as possible. It's okay to get it wet at first, but just make sure that you dry it off first. So now the top, just make sure you go over all of it. Drying the bike is the long part, so you guys don't have to sit through all of this. I might cut some of this out. On the chain. Sorry if the shot isn't always getting the action, but woo, look at all that. More stuff's getting on the towel. That's okay. We can wash a towel, but yeah, it's just gotta make sure that you're getting all of it. And also, if part of your towel turns dirty, make sure you clean off the other clean parts of the bike with a new clean part. And if the towel is all dirty, just get a new one. Doesn't hurt. Very good. How do you guys enjoy the other how-to videos? Are they educational or do they not apply to you? I'm not sure what all of my 111, I think it is now, subscribers are into. Not all of you, so it's a good chance that some of you like to go biking, and if you'd like to bike in trails like I do, then this is the video for you. I got this bike a long time ago. I've been waiting for the right moment to use it, if that makes any sense. But I've recently been getting into mountain biking now, and I made some attachments. So this is a modification. It's a canteen holder. This is a modification. I should probably dry this off too. We got the really cool grip handles. They work really well. I do have like a little complaint though, is that sometimes they rotate in their spot, which, you know, it's not a big complaint, but still you want your handles to, you want them to be anchored in place so that they don't move around. They don't move around a lot. It's just every now and then you see gradual change, and they kind of move around a little bit. The least you should be worried about is the pedals, but I think those look good. I actually think one time a little piece got chipped off one of them, because when the pedal went down, it hit a rock while I was going at high speeds. Is this it? Yeah, it is. A little piece got chipped off there. Now you want to try to not let that happen. Let me just clean this part off. I'm not gonna show you guys how to like thoroughly detail your bike to make sure it's spotless. What I've hopefully done so far is show you guys how you can briefly clean it if you absolutely have to. So like that situation I was in with the grime on it and stuff. Now I said you don't need to clean the wheels, but for some reason they got clean anyway. Look at that. Kind of. You got some stuff over here, but the back wheel's pretty much clean. Stuff under the bike. Oh yes, the rear reflector is now spotless. So some parts of the bike are in fact spotless. It's looking very good. Let's turn this around and see how the other side looks from a view. I could get these little smudges. Did I get them on this? Yes, I did. So I could make it even it out a little bit. Grab a clean piece. You can see there's way more dirty spots on the towel than there was. But yeah, if you guys like my other how-to videos, then you're probably gonna like this one because it covers kind of the same stuff. Clean off the badge. Yes, my bike has a badge. And actually, the texture is kind of like carbon fiber a little bit. See those lines? Really cool. It's not black like carbon fiber, and it's probably, you know, not as expensive and lightweight as carbon fiber, but it's cool. This is the Novara Portal, and it is a very good beginner bike. Beginner to intermediate, I'd say. It's really good. And if you put these attachments on, it's now kind of like optimized for convenience. And this seat is pretty comfortable, but it's definitely not the most comfortable. And I've been thinking about swapping the seats for a more comfortable stuffed fabric seat, because the leather, it's actually really, really tough. It's really hard. Someone's vehicle's going off. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to do a before and after, just click to earlier in the video and then look at the results after. Very nice. You guys saw the other side. Very nice. The bike has a lot of dimensions. a lot of stuff. We have the dual shock in front. We got dual brakes, a brake up here, brake back here. This is an adjustable seat. I could demonstrate that for you right now. And you could bring the seat up. Look at how high that goes. That is ludicrous. I don't need it that high. Phone goes here, front reflector. It has 8 gears total. It has 3 modes. Share this video if you know someone who wants to know how to thoroughly clean their bike in less than 15 minutes. And I'll see you guys later. Stay awesome, Rifters. See ya.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change, our